Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. We have the formula in here. That's about cosine 2x 2a equal to 1 minus 2 sine a squared. So 6x, that's about number 2 multiplied by 3x. So capital A represent about 3x. So if we transform this one into this one, you will get about 1 minus 2 sine 3x squared. So because we have the negative sign in here, we need to open parentheses, and we have negative number 1 plus 2 sine 3x squared. 1 minus 1 we cancel. And now we divide by x squared on numerator and denominator. Next, I will put number 9 on numerator and denominator. Now this one, you got about 10x over x to the power of 2. This one, number 2 with number 9, you got about 18. And I will put about sine 3x over 3x, everything to the power of 2. And now we have the formula in here. So we have the limit x approach to number 0. So we will have about tan ax over ax. And this one we know that you will have about number 1. Similar for sine. So if we look carefully, this one you got about number 1. This one you got about number 1. So we will have about 1 square over 18 multiplied by 1 square. And this one you got about 18. 1 over 18. That's it, the end. Thank you for watching.